the holy martyr Conon the gardener of Pamphylia. March 5th. A simple gardener from Nazareth, living in Pamphylia, steadfastly confesses Christ during persecution, enduring brutal torture and surrendering his soul near his home. A heads up in the spirit of transparency. Please be advised that this content may include martyrdom, torture, and persecution. In the 3rd century, during the reign of Emperor Decius, a period marked by intense persecution against Christians, lived the holy martyr Conon. He hailed from Nazareth in Galilee, a place sanctified by the presence of the Lord. Later, he established his dwelling in the city of Mandan, located within the region of Pamphylia, which is now part of modern-day Turkey. There, Conon sustained himself and his household through the diligent cultivation of a vegetable garden. His life was characterized by a profound simplicity, free from guile or malice. He cultivated his garden with diligence, and his interactions with others were marked by kindness. His hands, which labored in the earth to bring forth sustenance, were also accustomed to the sign of the cross and gestures of prayer. He lived as a devout Christian in the world, demonstrating faithfulness in his daily tasks. The narratives recount that even when tax collectors, representatives of the imperial authority, came to his dwelling, he would offer them vegetables from his garden as a gesture of generosity, demonstrating a spirit unburdened by worldly anxieties and possessing a readiness to share what he had. As the persecution initiated by Emperor Decius intensified across the Roman Empire, the local governor of Pamphylia, named Publius, dispatched soldiers throughout the region to apprehend those who confessed Christ. The soldiers arrived at Conon's home. The saint met them not with fear, but with a spirit open and sincere. Unafraid, he immediately made a clear confession of his faith, declaring Jesus Christ as the true God. This act of witness, made without hesitation, marked the beginning of his path to martyrdom. Conon was brought before Governor Publius. There, he was commanded to renounce Christ and to offer sacrifices to the pagan idols. The governor, exercising his authority, sought to compel the elderly saint to abandon his Christian conviction. Yet, Conon remained firm in his refusal. He did not merely decline. He offered words born of compassion and truth, stating, "Oh, if only you would come to know the true God and believe in him." He steadfastly maintained his Christian faith, showing no fear of the governor's threats or the consequences that lay before him. His confession was unwavering, a testament to his deep-rooted belief. Enraged by Conon's steadfastness, Governor Publius ordered a series of cruel tortures for the elderly saint. Soldiers broke his feet. They then drove nails into his feet, inflicting severe pain. Following this, the holy martyr was forced to run ahead of the governor's chariot, while soldiers continued to beat him mercilessly. Despite his advanced age and the excruciating pain from his wounds, Saint Conon endured these torments. Each step taken, each blow received, served as a continued witness to his unwavering confession of Christ. His physical suffering became an outward manifestation of his inner spiritual strength. Weakened from the blood loss and the extreme pain, Saint Conon, through divine strength, ran as far as his home village. There, in the place he had known and served God through his simple life, he fell to his knees. In a final act of prayer and surrender, he commended his soul to the Lord. His earthly life concluded with this act of devotion, and he reposed in Christ. His martyrdom occurred around the year 251. The holy martyr Conon the gardener is remembered for his simple, steadfast faith and his endurance in suffering. His life demonstrates that holiness is found in unwavering faithfulness and love for Christ, regardless of worldly status. His example serves as encouragement for all Christians to stand firm in their confession, even in the face of trial.